The viral photo of two police officers posing with high-powered weapons is now at the center of an investigation. Hi again and welcome. This is Links W7 TV. Let's talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. We ask you, please remember just to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, and click on all so you're always updated with the latest report. We'll be right back after the break with the details to come. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links W7 TV. Let's talk. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember just to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with the latest report. So what I want to talk about today on the program is a viral photo of two alleged police officers who got married recently and was said to be posing with firearms or high-powered weapons per se, as many are putting it. Now, this has triggered a high-level investigation into the authenticity of the photo making rounds on social media, and also triggered an investigation in order to ascertain whether these weapons are real or fake. But it has come to my understanding that these are actually weapons that are real. So before I get into the details of this, let me just update you with what the corporate communications unit, Miss Stephanie Lindsay, and she's the head of the corporate communications unit within the Jamaica Constabulary Force, had to say about the whole entire situation that is playing out right now on social media. So let's go over to that clip from her right now on Links W7 TV. Let's talk.
We have seen the video and it has been, it's already subject of an investigation. So I will be looking at the video and is expected to provide a report at the end of it.
So that was Miss Stephanie Lindsay providing an update in relation to the viral photo that is making rounds on social media. So the matter is currently being investigated by the Inspectorate and Professional Standard Oversight Bureau within the Jamaica Constabulary Force. But many people are stating that this photo, it doesn't look good for members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force to be posing with weapons in such a fashion such as this. And this is why now this has caused this high-level probe to be carried out by the JCF in order to ascertain who was the actual person that was in charge of these firearms. Because as you know, how the system works is that certain firearms, you have to sign them out. And on this current day that this wedding ceremony was held, these two individuals, they would not be on duty. So it must have been someone else who would have signed out the property of the JCF and then handed it over to another party. Now that is where this doesn't look good on the side of either individuals, those in the photo and those that would have been in charge of the actual firearms. But all I can say is that I just hope that they can find some way of settling this in an amicable way, because it doesn't really look good. And the fact that it's blown up on social media right now is just fueling it more for the JCF to carry out an investigation into this matter. A number of people are stating that they don't see anything really wrong with it, and some people are of the opinion that it was wrong and that they should not be posing with these firearms as well. But as I sit here, I don't really have much comment to make about the photo itself, but all I can say, when you're in certain profession or certain type of work, you have to be extremely careful with the content that you put out there, especially on social media. And this was just the case that happened with these police officers taunting with these firearms on social media. I don't believe that they were the one that actually posted them out there. Maybe someone at the wedding took these photos and decided that posting them online would be beneficial or it would be something good, but it turned out not to be. The wedding took place in Montego Bay, where the cops are allegedly based. After the photo was brought to light, it was announced that the Inspectorate and Professional Standards Oversight Bureau was carrying out an investigation into the matter. So the investigation is still ongoing, and we're not sure whether or not the two police officers that are seen in the video, we're not sure what actions the Professional Standards Bureau will take against them based on the viral photo that is currently out there on social media. But you can just drop it in the comment section. As always, let me know how you feel about this. Do you believe that people are just blowing this thing out of proportion, or do you believe that it was wrong for this photo to be posted online? Just drop it in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this story. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk. Peace out and bless, and much respect goes out to you, the viewers, as always, for watching. Thanks. Bless.